I'm happy to speak to you concerning hunger. We all feel hungry. And if we are eating 3 times, we feel hungry 3 times. If we are eating 5 times, we feel hungry 5 times. If we are eating every hour, then we feel hungry every hour. What is this hunger means? There are things that happen. Sometimes we do it so interestingly, something that time we don't realize that we are really hungry. What is this hunger? How to understand this hunger in us? Hunger is related to biological clock. Who is setting the biological clock? Every individual is setting a biological clock. How do the body understand this biological clock? What is this setting? All that we are going to see today. So my friends, setting biological clock in your body means you decide what time what have to be done. Example, eating. What time you want to eat. This you decide in your mind. When you decide in your mind, you eat one day. When you decide in your mind, the body does not believe you fully. When you decide your mind and then you follow it 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, then 4th day, automatically that time you feel hungry. The body understands repetitive functions. Operant conditioning or classical conditioning, we call it in psychology. So when you do it twice, thrice, same time, the body understands that has to help you to function that way. In that way, it keep functioning the body. So if you are setting a clock to eat at 5 o'clock in the evening, you decide, and then you eat one day, and then you enjoy, that is going to help you. Decide again to eat another day, and 3rd day. Then 4th day, automatically your stomach feels hungry. So do you understand? When you do it repeatedly, the body understands and then take it as its repetitive work that has to do. So correctly at 5 o'clock, 4th day, it feels hungry. In the same way, if you are eating one meal a day, if you are fixing to eat one meal a day and other times you take a liquid, then you fix your mind, do it for 3-4 days, and then the body understand that it adjusts, and then it feels hungry only once a day. If you are eating 3 times, then the body feels hungry 3 times. So my dear friends, it is only a training of the body through repetitive work. Training of the body through repetitive work at the same time. That it accepts, then it accepts that one as a biological clock functioning. So it feels hungry, correct, at the same time. There are two. This is psychological hunger. What you are fixing up using the biological clock is a psychological hunger, and that means psychologically you feel hungry for some time. I don't know, it is not a correct term, but for you to understand, I am using this. But it is not a need of the body. It is you who have fixed it, and it is asking you, and it is giving you the functioning as per your need. But actually the body need not eat 3 meals. 1 meal is more than enough for the body to survive and live. To be healthy, 1 meal is more than enough for the body. We have many yogis working hard work, doing hard work, at the same time taking a very little once a day. then the body becomes very healthy, my dear friends. That is a real hunger. When you don't have energy and all that, the body needs that the deficiency happens. Already I have spoken to you. You think that it depends on what you eat, you are living. No. Irrespective of what you are eating, if your organs are intact, in correct condition, what happens? The body functions well. All the nutrients you get it because your organs are in good condition. It is not you are eating balanced diet. Balanced diet is needed for the ones whose organs are not really well. Otherwise, irrespective of what you are eating, if your organs are really good, organs inside, all the internal organs and outside, it's really good. If you are keeping up without any toxic, then it will function beautifully, and it will produce its own nutrients, its own everything it will produce. Body will produce for you. That's more than enough. There are some people who eat only one particular meal for all 365 days. That is, we call it as mono food. Mono food is very healthy food for the body, they call it, because one type of food, example, Mahatma Gandhi ji ate goat milk and the groundnut nuts. Only this was his meal. Nothing else he ate. His body was good. Unless he was killed, and he might have lived it for more years. He looked elderly, but he was fully potential man he was till the end. So my dear friends, hunger is what you set your mind. There are many people in India, they do not eat at all. They just eat once a day, or once a week, or once a month. I've seen people eating once a month. I have also seen some yogis who are eating never, only liquid food they take. Another yogi, I saw it in near Tirunelveli side, and he drinks only vada and tea. One vada, two vada and tea occasionally. Once a week or like that he takes. Nothing else. So this is a body which is tremendous power and capacity you have. It is left how you are training your body. So my dear friends, hunger is not something that's needed for the body. Hunger is something that your mind wanted. Of course you need to eat to nourish your body, but it's not the way 3 times, not 5 times. Once a meal is enough if all your internal organs are kept well, without toxin. How to remove a toxin? Already I have given you in the previous videos how to remove a toxin from the body. If you keep on removing a toxin, you are going to remain healthy with one meal. That is a real hunger. I would like to talk to you. I am happy that I have spoken to you today. Thank you for watching my video. Comment. Your comments that encourage me. And it gives me an impression that I can keep continuing my talk. It helps others. Thank you.